Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Well, welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey citizens, hey, hey, hey. Guys, we are back today. We are back with another Louis Vuitton Double unboxing. I think this is going to be like my last Louis Vuitton unboxing for the year.
You sit on a throne of lies.
But I don't think... no, I'm lying. It's one more item that I think will scratch my itch from Louis Vuitton for a while. It's just one more item. Maybe two. But guys, yes, we are back with a Louis Vuitton Double unboxing. And we're not unboxing a purse today. We're not unboxing shoes. We're just doing a little accessories, I guess. Accessory, travel accessory. So yeah, let's just get right into this unboxing. But before I get to the unboxing, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you will be notified. So without further ado, let's get into this Louis Vuitton Double unboxing. First, let's get a quick little thumbnail. Y'all know I have to do my thumbnail. This been sitting for a while. It's a little dusty. Thumbnail. Now I'm just being real goofy. Alright guys, so it is time for your girl and babe to start traveling. So that's why I picked up this item, because I'm like, I don't know if this is going to force me to travel, but it's going to make me want to travel. And who don't want to travel in style? Girl, don't you want to travel in style? Yes, I know I do. So like last year I bought the duffel bag. Well, I re-bought myself a duffel bag because I sold my keep all. So why not just treat yourself to some matching, some matching luggage? So he said, we're about to have another Louis Vuitton price increase. I don't know if the luggage went up or... So I just was like, let me just get it now, because if I wait until next year, it's going to be another price increase and I'm going to be so mad. I should have got this bag, 2 or 3 years ago. But let's stop rambling. I'm always rambling. Let's just get right into this unboxing. So I don't know if this looks a little ridiculous, but I wanted to give y'all the full Louis Vuitton unboxing experience, the experience that you get when you order online. So everybody knows about this famous pull tab. So let's just get this open, then I'm gonna get rid of this box and go from there. Alright, let's get it open. Very massive box. But you get the Louis Vuitton. Yes, huge. And packed. Came with the Louis Vuitton catalog with the number 12 here, Louis Vuitton here. This is really cute. The luggage on the front. How cute is that? You see that? This is really cute. Oh, look. Have y'all seen this? The Louis Vuitton airplane or jet. I know Steve Harvey's wife has this. Very, very iconic piece to have. I don't know what you would do with it, but she has it. It's cute. And of course, here's my receipt, because this was a purchased online because, well, actually not online. I did a phone order because it was sold out online, and I went into a couple of the boutiques and it was sold out. And one of the boutiques I went to in New York, what was it? Saks, Fifth Avenue. He told me this piece was discontinued and he didn't think that I would be able to get it. So something just told me, because at first I was a little disappointed, and something told me to call customer service, and she was like, oh, I will be able to place this order for you right now, and it's going to come in about 10 days. So I placed the order, and 10 days later, it popped up at my front door. So don't count it out unless you call customer service, the 1-800 number, and ask them. Even if it says sold out online, you keep trying. Just call the 1-800 number and try to place your order. So this just was a return label. A thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Just a return label. Not going to need that. This is not the original receipt. This is just like the code of the product code, which is the Horizon 55, and the code is M20294. And that's what they give you here, because they email you your receipt. So put this away, and we're gonna take it out of the box. And here it is. This box is humongous. In a collapsible box. And duffel bag. Completely collapsible if you want to keep it to store it. It's pretty lightweight too. So it comes in the dust bag. The Horizon 55. So this is carry-on size. I love the silver hardware with the lock. I love the black. It matches my key ball with the black. And I just love the Louis Vuitton with the black accents. So let's just see if we can open. And you know, guys, I'm kind of glad that I waited on a luggage piece. For years, I wanted a luggage piece. But I'm kind of glad I waited, because the luggage piece, when I first was looking at it, it only had the 2 wheels, and then you got to like kind of drag it. This one has the 4 wheels. And you don't have to drag it. I love that it has the 4 wheels. And here's the handle. Here's the handle. This is just beautiful. It just came with some styrofoam around the wheels. And I guess the code, because you have to set a code. And it comes with a lock and key. Okay, so the code right now is just set to 00. So I know I have to change it. But here's the inside. Okay, so the inside is all black, and then, you know, just like a regular luggage, it has a zipper where you can store items in here, like a pocket. And this is like a mesh, so it's like ventilated. And then you open it here, and you store more stuff. This is just a luggage tag like I showed you earlier. And then over here you have the strap, you know, just a regular strap where you can pack stuff and it doesn't like fall all over the place. So this is it, guys. I'm pretty happy with it. And this is carry-on size. I can never see myself checking this bag. And then I did look up the protective cover. It's not free. You definitely have to pay for the protective cover. I think it's like $300 and something. But yeah, this is it, guys. And like I said, this is the 55, so this is carry on. So you can, you know, definitely carry this on the plane with you. I would never suggest checking a luxury luggage. And here it is on the 4 wheels. It moves like really, really well. I love that. That moves so well. Now it's time to book a trip. Okay, so I have one more small item from Louis Vuitton, and this was an in-store purchase maybe about a month ago. So let's just get it open. I don't even know what I did with my receipt for this. But this is the Louis Vuitton scarf. I don't even know the name. I think I have this in the bandeau style, and I use it on my Scott box. But I wanted a headscarf. And this one, it has like the locks and the chains on it. It's so, so cute. I don't have the receipt. I think here's the product code for this one. It is M78666. It doesn't have the name of the scarf, and I don't know where I put my receipt, because like I said, I bought this a month ago. I was out with my girlfriend. We were just shopping, and yeah, I picked this up. And I love headscarves. And I think this is 100% silk. Yes, it is 100% silk. I have a lot of gel in my hair right now, so I'm not going to put it on, but you can just wear it this way. You can leave some hair out. You can tie it up. You can wear it this way. Some people like to wear scarves like this. Get a little fancy, tie it up. But I usually wear my scarves just on my head. But like I said, right now I have a lot of gel in my hair, so I don't want to get any product on my silk scarf. But it is super cute, and I love it. Okay guys, that is it for this quick Louis Vuitton double unboxing. And if you like videos like this, just do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. That bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you will be notified and become official citizen. Until the next time, Syd signing off. Peace.